Good day! Welcome to my video presentation. Hope that you will enjoy the rest of the lesson. By the way, my name is Teacher Elmar, or you will call me Teacher Mars. And our subject today is mathematics. Our lesson is about exponent. What are exponents and how are to be used? Before we proceed to our topic, I will give you some shortcut words in the dictionary to begin with. Gym, for gymnasium. Bike, for bicycle. Flu, for influenza. We have here also mathematical operation have shortcut too. We have here repeated addition. Given an example, we have here 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 32. You may wonder what is the shortcut for this. Of course, it is multiplication. Count the times you added a number and you will come up with the correct answer. Therefore, how many times we added 8? We added 8 4 times, therefore it is 8 times 4 is equal to 32. To understand better, another example, we have here 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 21. How many times you added 7? Of course, 3 times. Therefore, you are going to multiply 7 by 3 and it will give you 21. What about repeated multiplication? Given an example, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 33. First thing that you are going to do is copy 2 and count the times you multiplied by itself. Let us count how many times we multiplied 2 by itself. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we multiplied 2 by itself 5 times. So, therefore, we are going to put 5 on top of 2. And we are going to read that as 2 to the power of 5. 2 is the base, the number that is being multiplied. 5 is the exponent, the number of times the base is being multiplied by itself. Another way on how to read 2 to the power of 5 is 2 to the fifth power. And 5 is what we call the exponent. Maybe you are asking yourself, what is exponent? Exponents refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Okay, what is the standard exponential form? Exponential form, we have here a to the power of n, where a is a real number and n is an integers. Okay, let us substitute the value of our variables into numbers. Given an example, 5 to the power of 4. As we all know, is 5 is our base and 4 is our exponent. As we have learned, exponent refers to the number of times a number multiplied by itself. So let us multiply 5 by itself 4 times. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Maybe some of you who is asking, or there's a question in the mind, what is this 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5? These are what we call the factors. Now we are going to multiply now 5 times 5, that will give us 25. 25 times 5, it will give us 125. 125 times 5 is what? The answer is 625. Let us understand better. 5 4 is what we call exponential form. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is what we call this expanded form. 625 is what we call the standard form. Another way of computing for the standard form of an exponential form is by representing things. Example, we have here 3 to the power of 3 is what? Common for us that you will multiply by itself 3 times. That will gives you 27. Let us have an example. A Rubik's, which has width, length, and height, meaning 3 boxes length, 3 boxes height, 3 boxes width. So if you are going to add all in all, the Rubik's has 27 small boxes, and that is what we call 3 cubed. We have here exponent properties. We have actually 4 properties, but today we are going to learn about multiplication properties of exponent. What is the standard form for multiplication properties of exponent? We have here an example. A times A, of course, the base will always be the same. And the exponent for the first term is m, and the second term is n. The rules are, let a be a real numbers, but a is not equal to 0. M and n be a positive integers. Another rule is that when multiplying two expressions with the same base as their exponent, therefore you're going to add a. You're going to copy a, and you're going to add the exponents, which is m and n, therefore m plus n. Now to understand better, let us substitute the variables into numbers. We have here example 4 cubed times 4 to the 6th powers. As we have said, the rules is let a be a real numbers and a is not equal to 0. And our base is not equal to 0. M and n be positive integers. 3, our exponent, 3 and 6 are all positive. One rule is also that is when multiplying two expressions with the same base as their exponent. Therefore, copy 4 and add 3 plus 6. Now simplify 3 plus 6, 4 to the 9th power. Another example is 5 squared times 5 to the 5th power. As we have all said, let a be a real numbers and a is not equal to 0. M and n be positive integers. They are all positive, and our base is not equal to 0, and our exponents is all positive. The second one is that when multiplying two expressions with the same base as the exponent. Therefore, copy 5 and 2 plus 5. Simplify. The answer is 5 to the power of 7 or 5 to 7 power. Thank you for watching.